Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Filmora to edit videos. So basically, make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we will need to do is to create a project. You can do it like by just going to File, New Project, and here you choose the aspect ratios. So basically, aspect ratios is just like the type of screens that you would like to use uh, in a nutshell. You can either have widescreen like laptops, etc. You can have portraits for like TikTok shorts, mobile in general. That means like either you want to edit TikTok shorts, YouTube shorts, or anything from that. And those are just some other aspect ratio that are very big. So basically here I'm just going to use this one, and now we have this project. Now you will be needing to import your media. So basically you can simply drag and drop your media, either it is images, audio, or even videos. You can drop whatever you like. So as you can see, videos, audios, and images. So in my case, I'm just going to use this stock media. And basically Filmora will provide you with some media that you can use, like from the audio and titles, transitions, etc. Now, to work with Filmora and edit, you will have some bunch of tools. You will have text tool, you will have like this one's like drawing tool, you can draw on the screen, you can start clipping whenever you want. So I'm just going to click, and now I created the clip. And also you can start having many other tools that you can discover. And now, whenever you want to apply anything on a video, for example, an effect, you will need just to click on a specific object. It can be text, video, or whatever. And you will go, for example, to effects. Here, it will give it some kind of uh, blur. So here, it will have a blur. And here, another property will be added, which is blur or the mosaic. And basically that would apply to any other thing in filters, transition. You can just drag and drop the transition between two video. Basically you will have that here. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.